We saw the ultimate drag race over the weekend. A quantum Boeing 737, watch this, versus the Tesla Model S. There is the cockpit, a Qantas Boeing 737, basically against a fire-red Tesla racing down the 3-kilometer airplane runway in Melbourne, Australia. The plane catching up in the background. The video, of course, was part of a Tesla Qantas promotion, but Tesla's newest creation, zoom, there it goes. The Model 3 is winning its own race. Unveiled Thursday night, pre-orders now stand at 300,000, just below that, right? That equates to about $11 billion worth of backlog orders. The $35,000 car isn't even scheduled for sale till 2017. The stock moving higher today by 3 2/3. Let's go to Gerber Kawasaki CEO Ross Gerber, who's always been a fan of Tesla. Nice move, but can they deliver in 2017 all of those orders?
No, they have no chance. I think they won't probably get them out till about 2018, but they now have more orders than they can fill for like at least a year. And by the time this car goes for sale, they might have 1 million orders. So if you want a Tesla, I recommend you get in the line now. But it's an amazing vehicle.
Will it
I'm
hurt
super
the
impressed
stock
by what
that
Elon's
they can't
done.
deliver, Ross?
No, not at all. You know, look, Elon is an incredibly aggressive businessman, and I love it. But he pushes his employees really, really hard. And they get there, but they're just usually a little behind. But a couple months either way is not going to change the long-term history for this company.
Well, from electric cars to energy, you're always looking for value, and energy's gotten so cheap. As we look at how popular the Tesla's become, and Fox Business was on the Tesla story years ago. That was me and Elon getting into the car, I think, in 2007. Tell me right now, what is the energy trade at this moment that you guys look at Gerber Kawasaki?
Well, what we're looking at, and we've broken down this whole energy sector, is the pipelines. We really think that the profit and the opportunity is in the transportation, the movement of natural gas and oil, because that has to stay here. So we might see production come down in the United States and so on and so forth, but in the end we're still going to do at least 8 million plus barrels a day and tons of natural gas. So we like the end of the path, the refineries and the pipelines a lot right now. And
on our screen we have your other ideas. Buy energy bonds with 8 to 15% yields and a 2-year horizon. Any names there?
Well, there's a lot of names in energy material like FCX or Freeport McMoran that, is a strong mineral company with a dividend that's defendable and assets that are sellable. So we like the bonds. Whenever there's a lot of stress in a sector, you can usually find great values in the bonds. But what you got to look for is the ones that aren't hurting that bad, the ones that are okay. The ones that are really cheap are probably bad. Great to see you, Ross. Ross Gerber. Great to see you, too. Of Gerber Kawasaki on the second trading day of the new quarter. Muted trading, but pick it apart. You got 4 Dow components hitting lifetime highs, Coca-Cola, Travelers, Home Depot, and McDonald's.